Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Airtable for vacation rental management. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a new base on Airtable. This will be the central hub for all your vacation rental data, from bookings to client information. The reason we do this is to have all your data accessible in one place, making it easy to manage. Next up, set up different tables for each aspect of your business. You might have a table for bookings, another for guests, and perhaps one for property maintenance. This helps us because it keeps everything organized and easy to find. Now that we've done that, let's add fields to each table. For the bookings table, for example, you might have fields for the booking date, guest name, property, and price. This is important because it allows you to record all the necessary details for each booking. Okay, let's pause for a moment, and I'll explain why this matters. By using fields, you can categorize and sort your data more effectively, making it easier to manage your rentals. Moving on, the next step is to use views. You can create different views for each table, like a calendar view for your bookings or a grid view for your guests. The reason we do this is that it gives you different ways to visualize and interact with your data. Now let's discuss automations. Airtable allows you to automate certain tasks, like sending out booking confirmations or reminders. To do this, you'll need to set up triggers and actions. This is a game changer because it saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. Let me explain why this matters. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more important aspects of your business, like improving guest experience or expanding your property portfolio. To wrap it up, using Airtable for vacation rental management involves creating a base, setting up tables and fields, using views, and setting up automations. By following these steps, you can streamline your operations, save time, and reduce errors. That's it for today's tutorial. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a pro at using Airtable for vacation rental management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.